Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. Okay, so we're looking at two Weber grills, right? The Traveler and the Genesis E-330. Big difference in price right off the bat.
Yeah, the Traveler is around $450, and the Genesis is almost $1,000. So what are we getting for the extra money?
Well, the Traveler is all about portability. It's designed to be compact, easy to fold up and take with you. It only weighs 32 pounds. The Genesis, on the other hand, that thing is a beast, 200 pounds, so definitely not moving that around easily.
Makes sense. I see the Traveler has a smaller cooking space too. It can fit about 15 burgers, while the Genesis boasts a larger area.
Exactly. The Genesis also has 3 burners, compared to the Traveler's single burner. That means more even heat, and the ability to create different temperature zones for cooking. Plus, it has a sear zone for getting those perfect steak crusts.
Ooh, sear zone. I like the sound of that. The Genesis also has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which retain heat really well. What's the Traveler have?
The Traveler has porcelain-coated steel grates. Still good, but maybe not quite as heat-retentive as cast iron. But hey, it's also got convenient features like tool hooks and a side table.
The Genesis has those too, plus a grill locker for storing bigger items. It sounds like the Genesis is more of a stay-at-home grill, built for serious grilling, while the Traveler is for on-the-go grilling.
Precisely. The Genesis also has Weber's Pure Blue burner system, designed for even heat distribution and minimizing clogging. The Traveler uses a standard 1-pound propane tank, while the Genesis uses a larger one. You can use a bigger propane tank with an adapter for the Traveler, though.
Got it. So, if I'm camping or tailgating, the Traveler's the way to go. But if I'm grilling for a crowd at home and want some fancy features, the Genesis is worth the investment?
Absolutely. And consider the warranty. Weber's known for good customer service and their grills are built to last. The Traveler has a 5-year limited warranty.
Okay, that helps. Thanks for breaking it down.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.